Hello, in this video I want to show you how to rotate display on Onyx Boox Poke 2. To do this, first we'll need to swipe our finger from top of the screen, and inside you should be able to find rotate right here. If not, click on this pen button, that way you'll be able to drag the rotate from the bottom up right there, and then we can go back. And here click on this rotate button, then you can see the T, just as an example how it will rotate the screen. So for example, if the T points like this, that means our display will rotate like this. So let's try it out. And yep, it does the same thing. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.